Welcome back. Today we have a 4-character Chinese idiom. These types of idioms are known as 사자 성어, meaning 4-character idiom, and most of them originally came from China, but Korea uses them too, so they're important to know. But first I should let you know that these kinds of idioms are best for intermediate Korean learners and above. To be honest, they're not very beginner friendly. The idiom we'll be learning today is 이심전심. So let's break up this idiom and figure out what it means. The first character, 이, means using or by. And the second character, 심, means heart or mind. So far we have by the mind or using the mind. The third character, 전, means to convey or to communicate. And the fourth character, 심, again means heart or mind. So, using the mind, conveying the mind, or just a mind and a mind communicate with each other. So, if my mind is communicating with another person's mind, what could that mean? Well, for starters, it means that we're in sync with each other, and we know what the other person's thinking. And that's the meaning of this idiom. It's what you might say to someone when you feel like you're telepathically communicating with them. For example, you might pick up the phone to call your friend, but as soon as you do, he or she calls you first. It's almost as if your friend could read your mind. So let's take a look at an example sentence. 오늘은 저녁으로 양념치킨을 먹고 싶었는데 이심전심으로 엄마와 통했다. This example literally translates as, today for dinner I wanted to eat seasoned spicy chicken, and my mom and I communicated telepathically. But a more natural and smoother sounding translation could be this. I wanted to eat seasoned spicy chicken for dinner, and my mom read my mind. And I want to say thanks to my Patreon supporters for helping me to make this video. If you want to help support this channel, check out my Patreon page in the description. And remember that new videos are uploaded here every week, so if you like what you see, click subscribe. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.